In this video, I'm about to show you how to create an Instagram ads. Okay, now before you create an Instagram ads, you want to make sure that you have connected your Instagram account to your Facebook page. Okay, now I won't be covering that in this video because I'm making this video specifically for someone, but I just want to try to expand it to a lot of people. Do you understand? Now, so if you need help in connecting your Instagram account to your Facebook page, you can chat me using this number on the screen right now, okay, on WhatsApp, or using the link in the description box below. Now, whenever you get to this place, let's say this is the homepage of our Facebook account, okay, the next place you want to do is click on Ads Manager. So once you click on Ads Manager, you are going to be taken to the dashboard of your ads account where you start to create your ads. Are you getting what I'm saying? So let's wait for it to load. Now we have our ads account fresh. Okay, now if you might have been creating an ads before, you see the list of ads you have here, but due to this account, this ad account is a new one, and I want to use this to guide the person. So the next thing you want to click on right now is click on create ads. And what you actually want to click on is engagement. When you click on engagement, scroll down, you can name your campaign. Okay, you have to name your campaign. Let's just say Instagram ads. And the next thing you want to do right now is click on continue. Leave this. You can decide to name your ad set or name your ad. For this video, I'm going to leave it and I'm going to click on continue. When you click on continue, and the next thing you want to do right now is click on next. Okay, you click on next at this side. Check out my cursor on the screen. Click on next here. Then you are at the ad set level. Okay, now the next thing you want to do right now is this is where you select how your advert will perform. Now, as you can see on the first option right here, we have messaging apps. Get people to engage with your brand on Messenger, WhatsApp inbox, or Instagram. That is, people will be able to engage with you and be able to send you a message on Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram, whichever one you choose, or the three. Do you understand? At once. And this one, this second option we have here, you can see something like on your ad, get people to watch a video or interact with your post or event. Maybe you post a video, an Instagram reel on your Instagram page, or you post a video and you want people to interact with your video. You can choose this kind of stuff. Do you understand? You want people to like your post, engage with your post, comment, and all this kind of thing. And you can see this one, get people to engage with your website, get people to engage with your app, get people to engage with your Facebook page. Now the next thing you want to click on right now, you can choose between these tools. Do you understand? Now let's say you want to get people to message you and buy from you in your inbox, either your Instagram inbox, WhatsApp inbox, or Messenger. You can choose this first one. But for this video, I'm going to be choosing this one. Do you understand? Now you can choose between these two. Do you understand? So I'm going to choose the one of get people to watch a video or interact with your post or event. Okay, then let's scroll down and you're going to see engagement type. If that post is a video, choose video views. If that post is just a post, like a picture post, then you can choose this. If it's an event, you can choose this. So for this one, I'm going to be using video views. Do you understand? I want to get people to view our videos, Instagram reels on Instagram. So what do? You're going to see optimization and delivery. You're going to see optimization for ad delivery. You're going to see true play. Okay, so I will suggest, let's check out what is there. 2-second continuous video view. This true play, this will deliver your ads to people who will play your video more than at least 15 seconds. Do you understand? So just leave it like that. Leave that true play like that. Okay, true play, leave it like that. Then the next thing you want to do is cost per result go. Don't do anything here. Don't input anything. Then click on show more options. Check out my click on the screen. I won't repeat myself. So when you are going to see something like when you get charged, let's click on edit. Let's try to do something here. Okay, I think this account, you're going to see something like add account owners. Add account owners. Okay, add account owned by business new to Meta products can choose this option to pay for ads after several weeks of following a policy. So they don't just allow people to select true play option or any link list or whatever. Maybe you are creating a website clicks. Do you understand? They don't just allow people to do it. They first allow you to use impression for some weeks. Okay, follow their policy. By so doing, you can be able to use that goal. So just leave it like that. So far, this thing is optimized for true play. Do you understand? So that is the main thing. Do you understand? So the next thing you want to do is scroll down. Then the daily budget, you can, if you're in Nigeria, one of the daily budget, at least the least, just the manageable one, is 2,000 naira per day. You understand? You can use 2,000 naira per day. Okay, so let's just put 2,000 naira per day, and let's go down. And if you want to start, if you want to set a start date and an end date, do you understand? You can just click on display. You see start date, you see October 11. Okay, today is October 11, and you can click on set an end date, and you just set the end date and everything. So for this ad, I'm just going to tick off the end date. It's not, please, if you are watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the bell notification right now. It's not easy to make this kind of video, but just to, you know, give out value to you guys. Thank you very much. I will so much appreciate it and support this channel. Thank you. Now, so that is that. We did not set an end date for this, so we just want the ads to continue running like that. Okay, you can set it anytime you want, and go down to the audience. When you go down to the audience, you're going to click on create new audience. Okay, in this place you can decide this is where your targeting is. Let's say, for instance, for these ads, we are going to target Nigeria. For the age, do you understand? I could just select, okay, fine, let's say from 25, because most people who are on Instagram are not that of old age like that. So from 25 to 45, and notice your targeting is the heartbeat. It is the heartbeat. It is the soul of your campaign, your advertising campaign. So you can message this number on WhatsApp. I can, you know, I offer a kind of paid crafting of audience for your business. You know, I can craft out an audience for your business in particular. Do you understand now? And whereby you'll be able to, you know, get more sales. Are you getting it now? Meanwhile, you know, this video we are just making a kind of example, an assumption for everybody, but different targeting for different kind of business. You can message me on WhatsApp using the number on the screen or that in the description box, and by so doing, you will be able to get the particular targeting for your business and get rich customers who are desperate to pay for your business. So the next thing you want to go to is gender. Okay, so the gender, you can leave it in, you can select men or women alone, or you can leave it in all. So for this, I'm going to leave it in all. Do you understand? So depending on the gender for your business or for your video views that you want that post to reach. So for the detailed targeting, you are going to see some interest. Let's say, for instance, now your post is about let me see, skincare. You can just target the interest of people. You're going to see people who are skincare, cosmetics. Okay, you can select it. You can click on suggestions to see more, you know, interest like that. Let's scroll down. Let's be able to expand the screen. You click on suggestion. You can see something like personal skincare, anti-aging cream. You know, maybe you are selling all those organic skincare. Do you understand now? I can just type in organic skincare here. Okay, organic skincare. Let me use another one. Beautiful skin, beauty, social concern, natural skincare, cosmetics. So let's say these are the people who are interested in skincare. Like I said, it might be men and women, or you can choose only women for the gender, but I just want to use this. And once you do this kind of a thing, you can just click on narrow audience here. Okay, narrow audience, and target people who like to shop. Do you understand? Let's say, for instance, you want to browse their behavior, people who love to, you know, let's just input engaged shoppers. Do you understand now? So you are targeting those people. You click on it, engage shoppers, their behavior. They like to click on shop now on Facebook based on their record. Do you understand? So I'm just using this targeting as a general one. So you can see this one, you target people who are interested in this, and you target people who have been clicking on ads, who have been clicking on that shop now of, you know, they've been clicking on shop now or buy now of skincare ads that have been placed to them previously. Do you understand? So this is it. So what we are just going to do is scroll down. Okay, when you click on scroll down, the next thing you want to do is click on this show more option. Check it. Okay, don't do anything here and click on save audience. Once you save the audience, then the next thing you want to do is scroll down. Okay, scroll down, then click on manual placement. You get to this placement. Do you understand? Now just click on manual. Okay, you want to put everything in your control, and by so doing, you don't just want Facebook to spread it to any app just anyhow. Do you understand now? So go down in the device section, you click on edit, click on it, tick off the desktop. Okay, leave only mobile. Mostly people who watch Instagram stuff are on mobile, so tick off desktop. And do you get what I'm saying now? Then the platform, tick off Facebook, tick off audience network. We are creating Instagram ads, and tick off Messenger. Do you understand now? We are creating an engaged post on Instagram alone. Do you understand? We don't want Messenger, we don't want any Facebook placement. Okay, as you can see, estimated audience size is 282,000. So this is targeted. You can see this is laser target. We don't just have millions of irrelevant people in this place. Do you get what I'm saying now? So let's get started. Let's get going. The next thing you want to do right now, we have our Instagram alone. Okay, so you scroll down, you select Instagram feed is selected, Instagram stories and reels is selected. Okay, then the next thing you want to do is just go down, click on show more options. And when you click on show more options, you're going to see specific mobile device and operating system. Okay, just leave it all devices. You can wish to target people who use iPhone alone or use Android phone alone, but you can click edit to do that, but I will just advise you to leave it like this, all devices. Do you understand now? So that is it. Then the next thing you want to do right now is click on next in this place. Look at my cursor, next on the down right side. Once you click on next like that, we are going to get to the part whereby you are going to be selecting your creative. Do you understand? You want to select the Instagram post you want to be boosting. Okay, remember you've posted a video on Instagram before, and you want to create the ads from this place. Do you understand now? So let's get started. This is where you do the detailed creative and everything. So Facebook page, let's change the Facebook page. Select the Facebook page that you have connected only the Instagram account to. Do you understand now? Select the page whereby you have connected that particular Instagram account, and for this account is Nigeria China. Okay, the capital letter N, Nigeria China. Okay, so let's select it, and once we select it, you can see boom, the Instagram account is going to be selected with it. Okay, that lady is the Instagram account. You can see it here, Nigerian China. Okay, so let's go into the next step. You're going to see create ad setup. Then the next thing you want to do right now, okay, is click on this place. You click on create ad. Okay, and you click on use existing post. Once you click on use existing post, you want to use the post you have, the video you have posted on Instagram before. So the only thing you need to do right now is click on select post. Okay, you're going to see add creatives. Click on select post. And once you click on select post, click on Instagram here. Okay, you are selecting the post from Instagram. Then this is the video. Okay, this is a video, reels video. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to click on continue. So once I click on continue, then you're going to see the post preview selected here. You're going to see it selected here as well. Do you understand? You have the option to change the post or create another new post or whatever. Then this is selected, the post is selected, the video is selected. Then the next thing you want to do is add a button. You can choose to add a button to it. You know, probably people can decide to message you in your DM, Instagram DM or anywhere. So click on it, and you can click on, you know, choose a button for it. So you can just click on, let's see, send message. Okay, let's click on send message. Then when you click on send message, do you understand that you're going to see when people click send message on an ad, they will be able to send a message to your page. Do you understand now? So you go down, And for this, you can also decide to choose send WhatsApp message, whichever way you want it. Do you understand? You can see we'll send WhatsApp message, but before you choose send WhatsApp message, you must make sure that your WhatsApp number has been connected to your page and your Instagram account. So for this video, I'm not going to be walking you through that. If you want to learn how to connect your WhatsApp to your page or to your Instagram account and be able to get people to message you direct in WhatsApp, chat the number on the screen. I will put you through. So I'm just going to use send message right now. So once I click on send message, then the next thing you want to do right now is scroll down. You want to scroll down. So you want to scroll down, and you're going to see start conversation. So just prompt for people to start, to encourage them to start a conversation. You can just leave this like this, okay? You can leave this like this, or you can decide to just edit it. Do you understand? So for this video, I'm not going to do anything here, okay? So far they are trying to inquire about your business or about your video. Do you understand? Now you can decide to customize it anyhow, but just leave it if you're a starter. So as for you that I'm making this video for, please leave it alone. Don't complicate things for yourself. As you get advanced, then you begin to do more advanced things, okay? That is my advice for newbie. So the thing you want to do right now is scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and hit on publish, okay? You can use this to preview all your adverts. You can see how your advert is going to show to people. Do you understand? For placement, subscribe, hit the like button so that YouTube can show this to a lot of people who need help just like you. This is your way of doing charity, and let's wait for it. Okay, it's publishing, and boom, our advert is published. Okay, this is published, and once your advert is being published, it's going to be up for review. And you can download an app. Just go and download the app from there, and you can log into your Facebook account in the Meta Ads Manager for your phone, and by so doing you can monitor how your advert is doing in that place. Okay, so there is a place for you to make your post, which is Instagram. There's a place for you to create your ads, which is this place, professionally. Okay, this is the only professional way. Don't go and use boost post option. No, this is the professional way. And the third way of monitoring your ads is that of using Meta Ads on your phone. So that is 3 in 1. Thank you very much. Let's see the ads. It's processing. Okay, once the advert is accepted, it will start running. The reason why you are seeing no ads here is because this advert we created, let's click on it, is still processing. This is still processing. You can see it has not yet published completely. Okay, so let me just pause the video and show you how the advert published completely. So let me reload it. So here it is right now. Okay, let me just reload the screen right now. You're going to see, you can see it in review. Let's go back to that as we saw that it was in processing that time. You can see it's still processing. Do you understand now? It's still even processing. But once it's finished, you're going to see something in review. Okay, you can see it right now. You can see the ad sets in review. Okay, saying ads inactive in review. And you're going to see the campaign in review. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on that bell notification icon. Remember, my name is Ayo, and stay healthy. See you on the next video. Bye.